Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here the Vicks WarmMist Humidifier. I picked this up at Walmart for about 30 bucks. This here is a 1 gallon capacity humidifier that provides up to 24 hours operation on low and 12 hours on high. It comes with a manual, a quick startup guide, some coupon, and a free refill vapor pad. Without further ado, let's go ahead and box this humidifier. Okay, so here's the front of the box. This one is up to 95% bacteria free. There's no filter required. This is auto shut-off when empty, and there's 2 settings for ideal comfort. And as you can see, the design is kind of off here, like the orientation. On here, there's more specification, more detail on the humidifier if you want to take a look at that. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, check this out. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so first of all, we have here the use and care manual. So in here, it shows you all the parts of the humidifier, all the components, and different languages. Here's the quick start guide to show you how to set up your humidifier. In case you want to take a look at that. And these are the coupons that are provided for you. And like I said, they provide a free refill vapor pad for you to use with your humidifier. And we have here the humidifier. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's unwrap this thing. Alright, so here's the water tank. Here's the valve cap down here. And on top of here, there's a tank handle where you can hold like that. Okay, let's put that aside. Trash. And this is the mist chimney, that's what they call it. Here's the knob, there's 2 settings for it, low and high. And in order to take off the mist chimney, you have to, there's a latch down here, you got to pull this latch open, like that, okay? Alright, let's go ahead and put that aside for now. And then here we have the removable tray. And here we have the base. So here's the little chamber where you can put in your vapor pad that they gave you. And there's only 2 settings, low and high. And there's also a low water indicator, so if the water is low, then it will light up. Alright, so let's go ahead and put everything back together. Alright, so let's go ahead and test this out. Here's the water tank. So in order to fill the water, we have to twist this water cap to open it. Okay, there we go. And let's fill it with water. And there we go. Let's go ahead and put the water cap back on. There we go. So all you do is just set it on the base, just like that. Give it some time. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug the power cable in. So the vapor pad here, it's optional. So you want to use it, you open up this door, put in the pad, slide in like this, and just close it up, and that's it. Okay, so let's turn this on. Let's put it to low. Just notice that it might take a few seconds for it to heat up, so you gotta be patient, okay? Let's go ahead and turn it to high for now. Let's give it a second. Alright, you hear that noise? It's heating up right now. As you can see right now, there's no mist, but give it a few minutes and then the mist will start coming out. This here is the medicine cup. You can add your Vicks inhalant on here. Just be cautious of the opening here because it does get hot. So I've been using this for almost a week now, and it does help out a lot with soothing my stuffy nose and helping me breathe better. Just remember that the heating element does have buildup over time, so make sure you give it a good clean once in a while. Well, that's it. If you find this video helpful and you like it, click the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be making more Vicks video content just like this, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.